Hello and welcome back. Today we've got AWS Config. It's quite a simple service to understand from the point of view of the exam, so let's dive into it. So here we've got AWS Config, and here we've got all these other services such as EC2, S3, RDS, IAM, and so on. And you create over time in your account resources from these services. Well, AWS Config allows you to assess, audit, and evaluate the configurations of your AWS resources. So for example, you might want to be sure that all of your S3 buckets have versioning enabled, or that all of your RDS databases have storage encryption enabled, or that all of your EC2 instances are using pre-approved AMIs that you want them to be using. So what AWS Config does is it gathers information from these services about your resources, and it can check that information, those configurations, against a specific set of rules. And if certain rules are not fulfilled, it can either send a message, or using integrating with other services, it can take certain actions or help you remediate those very quickly. And the other thing it can also do is it can track changes over time, so you can see how your configuration has changed. So there we go. That's what AWS Config does. On the exam, whenever you see assessing, auditing, or evaluating configurations of AWS resources, think AWS Config. Here's a quick summary of what we discussed, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Until then, enjoy the cloud.